Here's how to solve the void parity. When you get to this point, you're looking at your corners, and they look like a normal 3x3, but you can tell something's wrong. So here's one that matches, this one doesn't, this one does, and this one doesn't. That will never happen in a regular 3x3. So you have two of them that match, two of them that don't. The first thing you want to do, if you have them on opposite corners like this, is to get them both on the same side. So keep one corner that matches in the front right hand corner and do left side up, top clockwise, right side up, top counterclockwise, left side down, top clockwise, right side down, top counterclockwise. This should put two of them on that match on the same side. So here I have green and red and orange and green on the right hand side. The sides that the corners that don't match up are going to be on the left hand side, and you can do your parity move. So let's see what's happening in the parity move that tells us what's going on. On a regular cube, I'm going to do the same move so we can see what is going on in the void cube. How is that possible? So the parity move is middle up, top clockwise, middle up, top counterclockwise, middle down, top counterclockwise, middle down, top clockwise twice, middle up. And you can see the two layers, bottom layers, are still matched up except for this centerpiece. And that is where we take advantage of this void in this cube. So we're going to do the same move on this cube with the two good pieces to our right. Here are my two good pieces, it's good corners, and these are the ones that I need to fix. I'm going to do the same move. Middle up, top clockwise, middle up, top counterclockwise, middle down, top counterclockwise, middle down, top clockwise twice, middle up. And on the void, your two bottom layers stay correct. Now we're looking at our yellows just like before. So solve it from this point.